Hello everyone, today's lesson is summarizing central ideas. What do you mean by central idea? Central idea is the main idea of the text. The definition is the central idea is the idea that the author wants you to remember most. Some writers may state the main idea, but it is often implied, which means the reader has to make inferences. What the text says, plus what I know about it. Just like theme in fiction, the central idea is not a topic or phrase. It is a complete sentence. Where do I find the central idea? The central or main idea can be found in three places. 1, in the beginning of the text. 2, near the end of the text. Or 3, not stated but implied through most of the sentences. How do I determine the central idea of a text? Subject plus what the author says overall about the subject equals the central idea. The majority of the details given will be explaining or describing the main idea.